Hi, Ben. Jack's picked out the story today. I hope you like it. I think you will. The Patterson Puppies and the Rainy Day by Leslie Patricelli. It was a rainy day, and the Patterson puppies had run out of things to do. Andy had read his favorite dinosaur book from front to back for the 51st time. Penelope had sorted her hair clips into neat little rows. Zach had tried on every superhero costume he had. He'd even put his underwear on his head. Petra had told her stuffed animals their favorite stories and put them to bed. So they sat and sat and sat and sat and sat. Andy said, "I wish it was sunny." "Yeah," said Penelope. "If it was sunny and warm, I could wear my pretty bathing suit with a sparkly star on the front." "And we could go to the beach," said Zach. "And if a shark attacked us, I would get it with my super strength." Then Petra had an idea. "Let's pretend we're at the beach," she said. "We can have a beach party inside." The puppies got to work. They laid out some beach towels and sand toys and put on some surf music. Mama brought snacks and teacups filled with water. Then they all put on their bathing suits. It was fun. They ate and danced and did the limbo. Andy danced right into a teacup and tipped it over. Whoopsie! Andy looked at the puddle. He noticed something very interesting. "Look, a tiny ocean," he said. The other puppies looked. It did look like a tiny ocean. They all took turns splashing. It wasn't big enough for all of them, though. So Penelope thought of a way to make it bigger. "It's working," she said. Then the four little puppies set to work. Bucket after bucket after bucket of water splashed onto the blue carpet. Finally, Penelope declared it finished. "It's a real ocean," she said. And to the four little puppies, it really was. "My sister can be crabby sometimes, too." Whee! "You look as pretty in pink as I do." "Avast, ye crabby!" Land ho! Until uh-oh. The Patterson puppies had a lot to do the rest of that rainy day. They mopped with towels. They mopped with mops. They mopped and mopped and mopped and mopped. Papa set up fans to blow the carpet dry. That night, the puppies were very tired. Mama made them a bowl of popcorn, and they sat on the floor to watch their favorite TV show before bed. With all the fans on it, it was cold, so they bundled up. Everyone was happy except Andy. "Petra, you're hogging all the popcorn," he said. He pushed her hand away, and the bowl tipped over. The fans blew the popcorn into the air. Andy looked. As it swirled around, he noticed something very interesting. "It looks like snow," he said. It certainly did. The end. I hope you enjoyed it, Ben. I love you. I hope you have good dreams today. We miss you so much. Can't wait to see you soon. Te amo, mi hijo.